What if I told you that the secret to bigger blooms, greener leaves, and faster plant growth is probably already sitting in your kitchen right now? Yes, a simple white powder that could transform your plants in just a few weeks. Stay with me, because today I'm going to show you one of the easiest organic fertilizers you can make at home. Today's video is truly special because we're going to use this simple powder to help your plants grow stronger, greener, and bloom beautifully. And trust me, after watching this video, you may start using this on every plant you own. But before we begin, hit the like button, share this video with fellow plant lovers, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss powerful plant tips like this. Now let's get started. This tip is especially helpful if your plants stopped flowering. You bought a plant with beautiful flowers, but now it looks stagnant. Your plants haven't produced new buds in months or even years. Or you're just starting your plant journey and want an easy natural fertilizer. If any of these sound familiar, this tip could make a huge difference for your plants. Why? Because what we're using today is rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These nutrients help boost flowering, stimulate growth, and support the healthy microbiology of your soil. So make sure you watch until the end, because this simple trick could completely change the way you care for your plants. Today we're fertilizing our plants with this powder right here. This is rice flour. Yes, simple rice flour. You can easily find it at any health food store or natural food shop. Just ask for rice flour and you're ready to go. But if you don't want to buy it, don't worry. I'll show you how to make it at home in minutes. All you need is 100 grams of rice, any type of rice works, and a food processor or blender. Add the rice to your processor and blend it for about 2 minutes. After blending, you'll get a fine powder. Your homemade rice flour. Simple, natural, and extremely effective. And the best part? This fertilizer works for almost all plants, including anthuriums, orchids, flowering plants, indoor plants, and garden plants. Now let's prepare the fertilizer. Take 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add the rice flour to the water and stir very well until it is evenly mixed. That's it. Your organic fertilizer is ready. Now simply water your plants with this mixture. You can apply this fertilizer once every 7 days. This works great for plants that are already flowering. It helps blooms last longer. Plants that refuse to bloom. And plants that look weak or stagnant. Even those plants that seem forgotten in the corner can come back to life with proper care and nutrition. And in time, you may start seeing beautiful flowers and vibrant green leaves like this. Of course, remember that plants also need the right balance of sunlight, water, and good soil. Combine these with this natural fertilizer, and your plants will have everything they need to grow and bloom again. Rice flour is an effective, nutrient-rich, and natural fertilizer for plants, especially phosphorus-loving plants like peace lilies, due to its high content of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and starch, which promote robust root growth and, in some cases, enhance blooming. It acts as a soil amendment, with microbes breaking down the starch to release nutrients for improved plant vitality. Did you like this tip? Then leave a like, share this video with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe for more easy and powerful plant care tips. Now go try this fertilizer and watch your plants come back to life. I'll see you in the next video on pour this on your peppers and watch them explode with growth. God bless you and happy planting. And finally tell me where you are watching from.